thing that's so exciting about this guy. So basically it's a Breez, more all-terrain, bigger, heavier duty. Thought you might like, let's say, a mix and match. This would be an amazing option for you. But as you see, they've got the bassinet here with the stand, which I've been talking about for bassinet, clip it directly onto the frame, just like so. As you can see, the most exciting feature here, in alignment with all of our Silver Cross products, is that we have the folding bassinet on the frame of the stroller. And this will be